Hi, I'm RAZELLE with Contractors Liability, and in today's quick video we will be discussing surety bonds. What is a surety bond? Who needs it and how much does it cost? So let's get started. The name surety bond is a generic term as there are many different types of surety bonds, and the type of bond you will need will depend on the type of work you do. 95% of the surety bonds you will need as a contractor will fall under these three main categories. Number one, license and permit bonds. This type of bond is required by government entities. They help safeguard public health and welfare and also ensure that the contractor will work safely in accordance with state and municipal laws. Now, in most states, in order to become a licensed contractor, you will be required to have this type of bond, depending on the type of work you do. In order to get this bond, we will need the name of the village or state that is requiring it, how much they require the bond to be, and of course your business details. Now, this bond ranges in amounts of $5,000 up to $25,000, and they're usually inexpensive. You can expect to pay between $100 and $250, and we can get the bond issued within an hour. Number two, bid bonds. These type of surety bonds are usually required when bidding on large projects. Bid bonds give project owners the peace of mind in knowing that their contractor is financially stable and that their work history has been evaluated by a third party. This type of bond requires you to have a credit score above 700. If you have a credit score lower than that, you can expect to pay more for this bond. Number three, payment and performance bonds. Now, although these are two separate types of surety bonds, they go together like salt and pepper. Payment bonds guarantees that contractors and suppliers will be paid, and performance bonds guarantees that the bond company will step in to complete the project if the original contractor is unable to do so. Now, these type of bonds usually cost about 3% of the total project price, unless the project is over $1 million, in which case it will be cheaper. It is important to remember that surety bonds is not insurance. You are responsible to make sure that you are complying and fulfilling the underlying requirements of your surety bond. If a claim takes place, you will be responsible to reimburse your surety bond company. Here at Contractors Liability, we have a dedicated bond expert who specializes in working with contractors. We have a very fast turnaround, which means we can usually get you your bond within 24 hours or less. We have over 20 years in the surety industry, and all of our surety companies are treasure listed and accepted by all owners. So give us a call at the number on your screen and get your bond today. Thanks for watching.